Hello friends, today I am going to solve textual problem number 6. We are having two partners, Vrushali and Lina. They are the equal partners and we are given the balance sheet on 31st March 2018. So these are our liabilities and these are our assets. And we are given adjustments. First is machinery and building to be depreciated by 10%. RDD is increased by 5,000. Bill receivable is taken by Vrushali at discount of 10%. So these two adjustments are related to revaluation. Aparna should bring 60,000 as capital. This is for the new capital. The capital of all partners is adjusted in the new profit sharing ratio by opening current account. And we are asked to prepare profit and loss adjustment account, partners capital account, and balance sheet of the new firm. And these are the steps that we are following. Open the account, transfer the balance sheet items, revalue the assets and liabilities, close the revaluation account, recording of new partners capital, and treatment of goodwill, close the capital accounts, close cash and bank and balance sheet. So now we are going to open profit and loss adjustment account, partners capital account, new balance sheet, bank account. We are not going to open goodwill account because in this sum, the adjustment of goodwill is not given only. And we are going to prepare new profit sharing ratio calculation and calculation of capital of partners. So we'll start with the creditors. So creditors are given to us 90,000. Then we are given capital of both the partners 45,000 and 30,000. So we are going to credit the capitals of Vrushali and Lina 45,000 and 30,000. And then we are given the journal ledger 18,000. So that journal ledger we are going to transfer to both the partners equally 9,000 each because old ratio is equal. So the liability side is over. Now cash and bank is 62,000. So in our bank account, we are going to open show 62,000 on the debit side, and then we are having debtors 31,000. So in the balance sheet, we are going to show 31,000 and 1,000 RDD we are going to show in the profit and loss adjustment account, old RDD 1,000. So you have to write NRDD minus ORDD. So ORDD is 1,000. This you have to remember. And building, machinery and bill receivable as usual. So we are writing building 55,000, machinery 24,000, bill receivable 12,000 as usual. Okay. Now our asset side is also over. So open the account, transfer the balance sheet items. Now we'll move for revaluation. Machinery is depreciated by 10%. So let us see the machinery. 10% is 2,400. Outer column 21,600. And in profit and loss adjustment account on the debit side, machinery account 2,400. Building depreciated by 10%. So building 10% is 5,500. So outer column it is 49,500 and 5,500 we have to write here on the debit side of profit and loss adjustment account. Okay. Now RDD is to be increased by 5,000, means 1,000 is already there. Increase by and increase to, there is a difference. Increase by means 5,000 is to be added to 1,000. And now the new RDD will be 6,000. And increase to 5,000 means the final figure is 5,000. That's the difference. So we'll increase by 5,000. So in our solution, whatever debtors are there, our new RDD is 6,000. So outer column we are going to write 25,000. And our new RDD is here 6,000. So 6,000 is new RDD and old RDD is 1,000. So there is a loss of 5,000. Currently there is a loss of 5,000. So this way we have to show. Okay. Now, so machinery is over, building is over, RDD is over. Bill receivable is taken by Vrushali. Now, bill receivable. Let us see the bill receivable. Vrushali takes over bill receivable at 10% discount. Means 12,000 less 10%, that is 1200. So 10,800, Vrushali will take over the bill receivable for 10,800. So Vrushali is debited. We have to debit Vrushali by 10,800. And now whatever is 1,800, that 1,800 is a loss. So 1,800 is transferred to profit and loss adjustment account. So we will transfer to profit and loss adjustment account bill receivable 1,200. So 1,200 is the loss. So we have completed adjustment number 1 and 2. Okay, both are over. So our profit and loss adjustment account debit side total is 14,100 and credit side is also 14,100. So there is a loss of 14,100 which we are distributing between both the partners equally. So we have to debit both the partners. Vrushali is debited and Lina is also debited. So our step number 3 is over, step number 4 is over. New partners capital, Aparna should bring 60,000 as capital. So we'll pass entry for that. Aparna's capital account 60,000 is bank account is debited, and in Aparna's capital account by on credit side by bank account 60,000. So that is step number 5. Step number 6, treatment of goodwill. In this sum there is no treatment of goodwill, so we have to ignore. Close the capital account, but before we close the capital account we have to see adjustment number 4. The capital account of all partners adjusted in the profit sharing ratio. So we are having calculation of the profit sharing ratio. Vrushali and Lina, the old ratio is half-half because both are sharing equally. And the new partner is given 1/4 share. So 3/4 is the balance. So now the new ratio of Vrushali is 3/8. Lina is also 3/8. And Aparna 1/4 will equalize by multiplying 2 by 2. So it will be common 3/3/2. So the new ratio is 3/3/2. And now the calculation of capital of partners. So the total capital of the firm should be reciprocal of new partner share. So reciprocal of new partner share is 1/4. So 4 into 60. So 2,40,000. And now this 2,40,000 is to be distributed between the partners. So 3/8 into 2,40,000. 3/8 into 2,40,000. 2/8 into 2,40,000. So 90, 90 and 60. So the new capital of partner is now 90,000, again 90,000 and 60,000. And also in the new balance sheet, we'll write 90,000, we'll write 90,000 and we'll write 60,000. Okay. So our profit and loss adjustment account is over. Now bank account, our balance is 1,22,000. The total of the bank is 1,22,000 and 1,22,000 we are going to write in the balance sheet 1,22,000. And in our problem, we are told that the capital of the partner will be adjusted by opening current account. So let us complete the capital account. So in capital account, we will be having 60,000 for Aparna, 60,000 is the credit total. So the debit total is also 60,000. For Lina, now for Lina, the debit total is heavy, 97,050. So 97,050 minus 39,000. So we'll get 58,050. Same way for Vrushali, the debit side is heavy, 1,07,850. So again, 54,000 we are going to subtract from that. So when we'll subtract this 54,000, what we'll get? 53,850 is the difference. So if suppose it was through cash, then we should have written by cash or by bank. But now it is through the current account. So current account. So which balance is this? This is not the credit balance. This is the debit balance. Okay. If the current account is here on the credit side, it is a credit. Sorry, on the debit side, then it is a credit balance. So it will be shown on the liability side. But here the current account is having a debit balance. So partners capital account, Vrushali and Lina, they are having negative balance. Okay, they are having deficit actually. So they should have brought cash, but they are not bringing. So current account, negative balance, debit balance. So debit balance means on asset side. So this is the total, 1,11,900. Now we can see that profit and loss adjustment account is over, capital account is over, here bank account is over. Now balance sheet, we have to just total it. So on the debit side, the total is 3,30,000. On the credit side also, the total is 3,30,000. So the important point in this sum is only capital adjustment through current account. There is nothing new. Okay, thanks.